Alright, I'm going to show you how to zoom in using the accessibility features on the Mac. So a lot of people already know that when you're in any browser, you can hit Command plus or Control plus, and it will zoom in for you on a web page. Some of the applications like PowerPoint and Excel and stuff will do something similar. But if you're not interested in doing it that way, or you're just interested in focusing on a particular area, you can actually take advantage of the accessibility features. So what I did was I set up my accessibility features to be up here on the top bar, so I can get to the preferences real quick in case I want them. Let's see if they pop up. There you go. And there's a zoom feature under accessibility. So right now I have use keyboard shortcuts to zoom, and I have that selected. And so I can toggle my zoom on and off by using Option Command 8. So I can use Option Command 8 to turn on the zoom, and then I can use Option Command 8 to turn it off. And notice that there's some more features too, where you can hit zoom in with Option Command equal or Option Command minus. Notice the equal is also equivalent to plus sign on your keyboard. So let me go ahead and do that real quick so you can see it. So I'm going to hit Option Command 8 and it turned it on. So now you can see it better, and notice how I have a little window like a magnifying glass, like a square magnifying glass, so I can see everything. So now if I want to turn it off, I go Option Command 8 and it's off. Now my zoom style is picture-in-picture, which you just saw. And then under Advanced, I have continuous when zoomed in, continuous the pointer, smooth images. And then under Controls, I actually have maximum zoom at about 9 times and minimum zoom about 3. So you can increase this so you can get in much larger. You can get much larger magnification. I don't really like it when it gets too large because it's hard to actually tell what it is sometimes. So I usually keep mine at around 9, and then my minimum zoom when I zoom is about 2. So anyway, so again, Option Command 8 toggles it on, and then you can just kind of hover around what you want to show, and you can talk about the subject a little bit if you want. And then if you want to go in a little bit deeper, you can, once again, you can hit Command Option equal or plus. And notice how it went blank. It went blank because it zoomed too far in. So Option Command minus brings it back. So that's one of the reasons why I don't like doing too much. Now, when you're on a web page, you obviously can do it a little bit different than this. But this does come in pretty handy when you're talking about things. So keep this in mind. If you do it, it is kind of nice to have the accessibility feature at the top of the menu bar, so it's easy to find if you get messed up. And I think also if you lose track of something, a couple of times I couldn't get it back and forgot what I did, and I just shut down the computer and rebooted it, and it went back to a default. But one more time, Option Command 8 will help you zoom in. It'll toggle it on, and when you move around, you can help magnify things that people might need to see. When you do Option Command 8 again, it puts it back to normal. And that's how you do it. That's how you do it on a Mac. Thanks. Bye-bye.